Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where horsepower meets destiny and legends aren't just remembered, they're reborn. Today buckle up for one of the most anticipated reviews of the decade, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X Zora. This isn't just another Corvette, this is the evolution of America's supercar dream, a machine that blends raw combustion fury with electrified precision, channeling the vision of Zora Arkus-Duntov, the godfather of the Corvette. The ZR1X Zora isn't a rumor anymore, it's here, it's real, and it might just be the most extreme Corvette ever built, faster than the ZR1, more balanced than the Z06, and more futuristic than the E-Ray. With its hybrid-assisted twin-turbo V8 active aerodynamics, cutting-edge chassis, and exotic-grade styling, this car is Chevrolet's full declaration that the Corvette isn't chasing Europe anymore, it's competing on its own terms, rewriting what an American hypercar can be. The first thing you notice about the ZR1X Zora is its aggressive stance. The standard Corvette C8 already looks like a mid-engine exotic, but the Zora takes it to another level entirely. Up front, the fascia is dominated by enlarged carbon fiber intakes sculpted to channel massive airflow for both engine cooling and hybrid system management. The hood is low and creased with aero sculpting lines that hint at power beneath. Think F-35 fighter jet blended with Le Mans prototype. The headlights are sleeker, now integrated with laser projector technology, piercing the road ahead with a bluish-white glow that makes night drives feel like daylight. From the side, the Zora's profile screams hypercar: wide hips, massive side intakes feeding both turbos and battery cooling systems, and optional clear aero blade doors that echo McLaren-style engineering but maintain Corvette's muscular DNA. The wheels, 21-inch forged carbon hybrid alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, are tires designed specifically for the Zora. Behind them sit carbon ceramic brakes with 6-piston calipers color-coded to your choice of Zora exclusives: Inferno Red, Arctic Frost, or Midnight Venom. And then there's the rear, dominated by an active wing system that can change pitch in milliseconds from downforce monster to drag reduction straight line rocket mode. Quad titanium exhaust tips sit in the center, framed by a carbon diffuser large enough to swallow small animals. The taillights retain Corvette's DNA but are sharper, stretched, and embedded with OLED patterns that pulse when you unlock the car. Step inside the ZR1X Zora and you immediately realize this isn't just about speed, it's about immersion. Chevrolet has doubled down on the jet fighter inspiration of the C8 but infused it with luxury and technology that rival the best Europe has to offer. The driver's seat is set low, almost racing spec, with Zora exclusive bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber shells. The steering wheel is squared off with illuminated haptic touch pads that let you control everything from hybrid boost deployment to suspension settings. Front and center sits the next-gen digital cluster, a 15-inch curved OLED that changes personality depending on drive mode. In track mode, it becomes a race-spec rev counter with hybrid boost gauge overlays. In touring mode, it transforms into a minimalist interface with augmented reality navigation displayed directly in the line of sight. The infotainment system is Chevrolet's new Hyperlink OS, a Snapdragon-powered platform with instant response, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and even gaming capability while parked. The Zora adds an exclusive performance telemetry suite letting you record laps, overlay G-force data, and even stream directly to your followers, perfect for the digital age of car culture. Under the hood, at its core, it packs the LT7 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8, an evolution of the flat-plane crank monster from the Z06. On its own, this engine is expected to push around 850 horsepower, but this isn't a solo act. The Zora integrates a hybrid front axle system similar in concept to the E-Ray but tuned for absolute maximum performance. Together, the system produces a staggering 1,000 to 1,050 horsepower and over 1,000 lb-ft of torque. Power delivery is instant. The electric motors eliminate turbo lag, filling the torque curve from 0 RPM, while the turbos unleash top-end fury. It's the perfect blend of brute force and electrified finesse. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Quarter mile in the high 8s to low 9s. Top speed rumored to breach 220 miles per hour with the active aero flattened. These are numbers in Bugatti and Rimac territory, but with a Corvette badge. The hybrid system isn't just about power, it enables torque vectoring all-wheel drive, letting the Zora corner like no Corvette ever has. It also allows short bursts of EV-only stealth mode, creeping out of your neighborhood without waking everyone up at 6 a.m. But make no mistake, this isn't a Prius, this is a hybrid that exists to destroy racetracks. The chassis is built from carbon-intensive materials with an aluminum subframe reinforced by structural carbon tunnels. Weight distribution near perfect thanks to the mid-engine layout and hybrid assist. Suspension is handled by the latest magnetic ride 5.0 system capable of reading the road 1000 times per second. Combine this with active aero and torque vectoring AWD and you have a car that can switch personalities instantly, compliant on highways, razor sharp on circuits. Steering is quicker, lighter at low speeds but rock solid when pushing, and the brakes carbon ceramic Regan assisted means stopping power is as brutal as acceleration. On track simulations, the Zora is rumored to lap the Nürburgring in under 6:30, which would obliterate previous production car records. The 2026 Corvette ZR1X Zora isn't just another performance model. It's a culmination of decades of Corvette evolution, from front-engine classics to this mid-engine hybrid hypercar. It's bold, it's unapologetic, and it's everything Zora Arkus-Duntov dreamed of. With over 1,000 horsepower, world-class handling, advanced hybrid technology and styling that demands attention, the ZR1X Zora isn't just America's hypercar. It's a global statement that the Corvette has arrived in the stratosphere of automotive legends. And the best part, it does all this while staying true to Corvette's ethos: performance accessible at a fraction of the price of its exotic rivals. So whether you're a lifelong Corvette fan or a hypercar enthusiast waiting for something different, the Zora is the car that proves the future isn't just coming, it's already here. Thanks for watching, and drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the latest cars shaping the automotive world.